Hi there, it's Dawn here at Sticky Time, and as I mentioned on my video last weekend, well, it didn't go out until Monday, I'd ordered a Hello Fresh box. We got a special offer off Hello Fresh through a friend who had vouchers to pass on. We could get 4 meals for 2 adults, so that's 8 meals in total a week for 4 weeks for a total of £30. So I thought I'd give it a try. Not that we need extra food in, but I thought I'd give it a try just to see what it's like. And this is our first box that arrived. So every Wednesday for 4 weeks we will have a box of food of pre-chosen meals that we've chosen arrive. The meals I've mainly gone for are fish based and chicken. We're down to our last little bit of chicken now in the freezer of our home produced chicken, so I thought, and we don't produce our own fish here, we do like fish, so I thought that's what I would go for, rather than go for beef, lamb, pork, which we have an abundance of. So let me show you what's in the box. Now first off, we've got the menu cards. This is the meals I picked for this week. We've got a sticky chicken noodle stir fry, crispy chicken and gravy burger, crispy Cajun fried chicken, and prawn and tomato risotto. Now everything comes, and on the cards it tells you everything that's going to be there. So it's like with the prawn and tomato risotto, we have got leeks, we've got garlic, flat leaf parsley, red chilli, vegetable stock paste, tomato puree, risotto rice, cider vinegar, king prawns, and there's a grated hard Italian style cheese. But it also tells you down the bottom in little writing what you would have to put towards the meal. And on this one, oil, salt and pepper. So it gives you all your information. This one is 650 calories per person. It's a mild spice. It's one of your 5 a day, and it takes 40 to 45 minutes to prepare. And on the back of the card is all the instructions on how to prepare it, and what to do before you start, what cooking tools you need. So we need a garlic press, saucepan, frying pan, ladle and kitchen paper. It lists all the ingredients, nutritional values, allergens, etc. And there is a number at the top here, number 28, so that's meal number 28. And there is a bag here associated with number 28. So, in this bag it should be, this is for 2 people, so there should be everything in here that we need. Let me tilt you down a bit. There we go. Right, so we've got our flat leaf parsley, we've got a leek, chilli, risotto rice, portioned up, ready for us. Then there's some little sachets in here, and we have got a sachet of apple cider vinegar, vegetable stock paste, tomato puree, 2 vegetable stock pastes. So that's all the bits to go with this meal. Now all the meat and fish comes in this insulated bag with ice packs, and we've got our prawns there to go with this meal. So to go with the other meals, they're of course our chicken. So we have got 3 lots of chicken. We've got chicken fillet skinless, chicken thigh diced, chicken thigh skinless. There's also a mix of shredded coleslaw there ready to use, and there's the grated hard cheese that goes with that meal there. Oh. Put that on the floor out of the way. We've got burger buns for the chicken burger meal, and we've got our other vegetable packs or spices or herbs or whatever that's needed. So this one, number 37, and there is more parsley, there's a pepper, there's that, egg noodles, carrots, peanuts, and there's mango chutney, what is that, chili flakes, soy sauce, bulgogi sauce. So I'm going to keep them in there so I know which ones they came from. And then of course we've got the other packs. So my first impressions are the veg all looks nice and fresh and in good condition. In this one we've got some potatoes, and again there is mixed salad leaves, and as well as little sachets of sauces, etc. And this one, panko breadcrumbs. This must be for the fillet burgers. Lemon, more sachets, mayonnaise, spring onion, more potatoes. So yes, it seems pretty good. I think these are an excellent idea for those who are maybe on their own, for those who are perhaps wanting to do more cooking from scratch and they're not, you know, not sure where to start, what to do, etc. And maybe, you know, want a bit of a break from shopping. So yeah, so you know, £30, and that's going to give us for 16 meals. I don't think you could go out and buy it for that. But what I am going to say is also with it, of course we've got lots of leaflets on special offers, etc. But you've also got vouchers for friends to use, so you know they can get free boxes and you get £10 off or £20 off or whatever. Yeah, so I'm suitably impressed. We're going to have a go at cooking up these meals over the next few weeks, and we will see how they turn out and how tasty they are. So tonight we're going to have the prawn and tomato risotto. So that is tonight's. So all this other stuff I'm going to get in the fridge. I think they're going to be very easy for Martin to follow. Martin is the sort of person who has to follow things to the letter. Whereas I'm just, I throw it in the pan, go through the cupboards, find what I want, throw it in the pan. And I'm not so much of a recipe follower. So I think these would be good for you know, somebody like Martin who does need good step-by-step pictorial instructions, and yeah, or even for youngsters who are, you know, starting out, students even, you know, because you've got everything there. And the things you have to add, like on that one, oil, salt, pepper, tomato ketchup, oil, salt, pepper, an egg, bit of butter and some plain flour and olive oil. And that one is just oil, salt, pepper and an egg. So pantry staples really of what you've got to add to it. You know, you don't have to go out and find any exotic ingredients, and hopefully they will produce sort of nice meals, and it's good portion control. And those who are following Weight Watchers, there is a thing on here for Weight Watchers as well to say whether it's a Weight Watchers meal. This is a Weight Watchers number 13, whatever that means. There is a good selection of meals, and the selection changes each week on their website, and you can book all your meals in advance and they'll all arrive weekly. There is use by dates on this, so like the prawns, use by 24th of December. There's 2 lots of chicken here to be used by the 25th, but there's nothing stopping you popping it in the freezer. And today is, what is today? The 25th is on Sunday, 24th, 23rd. Today's the 22nd. And that one is the 27th. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying those. So if anybody has tried them before, let me know what you think. I'd be interested. I think I'm probably going to pop the chicken in the freezer actually, and but I should keep the prawns out. We're going to have those tonight, or we might have one of the chicken dishes tomorrow night. Yeah, so as we cook them up, I will let you know. So I'm going to incorporate the meals over the next 4 weeks into our weekly plan. So that's working out £7.50 a week for 4 evening meals for 2 adults. I'm not going to get a calculator out and break it down even further, but on their website it actually tells you how much it is per meal. They have vegetarian options on there. They have I think there's vegan options on there, and I think there is gluten-free as well, but don't hold me to that. So this is our first HelloFresh box. I'm not sponsored or nothing to do this. This was it was just an opportunity that came up, and the person who passed on the voucher, it means they actually had some money credited then to their account for their future meals. So yeah, there we go. That is my first impression of our first HelloFresh delivery, and we'll see how they fare. So take care everybody, and I will catch up again with you soon.